The week that was.
You farmers don't muck around, do you?
Full demo, here we go.
Did the domain challenge offer any inspiration?
Any choice I had that I was unsure about, I just sort of went, nah, do it.
So, the confidence got a bump when you designed your master bedroom.
It's something we're creating. It's our twist on an era, finding pieces that we love to put in the space. So, you know, you have to feel confident.
How stunning was the wallpaper?
Powering it out.
What about that huge walk-in robe?
Oh, fancy. And finally, a walk-in wardrobe worth talking about.
Yes.
Now I just need to nail the styling and I'll be right.
Looks like you guys have got a good chance of winning this week.
So nervous whether we're going to get 10 grand.
It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing.
There's a lot to love in our space. I feel. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, look, there's a lot going on.
Oh, how magnificent is that?
Wow.
The very first thing that caught the judge's eye in your room today was that wallpaper. And they love it.
That is Hollywood.
It is Hollywood, and it's also very 30s.
Last week, Neil felt that he was hard on you for not being in the era, but today he was glad that he was.
This is back on track, and I like the way they have mixed it in with this basically contemporary colour palette. It kind of works.
I agree. The beautiful cornicing, that beautiful ceiling rose, the light, all of it screams traditional with a modern edge to it. And as daggy as those bedside lights are, I absolutely love them.
All the heritage detailing in here, it doesn't look forced. It actually looks really intentional, but still brand new.
And it goes to show that you really understand the brief.
Now I need to just say, hey, you know what? I've got to follow that period. Got to stick to that and get the money. I don't want to take home the money. We want the money.
We need the money.
Yeah, got to have it.
In terms of what I'm seeing from their endeavours, their attention to detail, their creative choices, their planning choices, I love it all.
And the floral arrangements show real chutzpah.
This big display behind me is not my normal taste, but I kind of like the boldness of it because they have filled the space that really needed like an artwork or something, and they've gone down a different path.
A brave choice that sits on top of a stunning cabinet that is the real hero of your room this week.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really cool.
That's beautiful.
I think it's actually a very lovely room. And it's got just enough luxury, just enough glamour to keep that potential buyer happy.
At this point, everything was going very well for you. But there was one big issue for Darren Palmer with your room today.
Well, that's a queen-size bed.
Oh, it is too.
Yeah, and so now I think, OK, I've got a 5-bedroom Brighton luxury home. For me, a king-size bed says luxury.
A queen bed may be the best solution for the space, but will you be punished on auction day? Those issues aside, Shaynna was loving it all.
Feels light, bright, really elegant. That's what I like about it. Feels like an elegant room.
Well, let's go and see if that elegance continues.
It's like I'm the universe and you'll be NASA. Get up, I'ma need space. I'ma need space. I'ma need you to love my star space. I'ma need space. I'ma need space. I'ma need space.
Whoa, I love that.
Darren immediately loved the finish on the doors. The laminate screams 30s. Feels nostalgic and very pretty.
That's beautiful.
That is hot. This black detailing, that lovely black handle, which I loved so much last time, and that finish on the doors.
Shaynna found more hanging space than she had seen in the first 2 houses, so that's a plus.
We actually have some jewellery displayed.
Yep.
This looks a bit different. Ooh, a spitting shoe rack. Hello, I think I might like these today. Thank you.
That's cool, actually.
That is really fun.
Yeah.
That is really fun.
You have clearly thought about all of the details in here. It's certainly not an afterthought.
This one, to me, possibly hits the balance of something that does feel glamorous and has appropriate storage, whereas number 1 is completely glamorous with not much storage. House 2, better storage, not glamorous at all.
But what I'm liking about this so much is that Daniel and Jade are back on track.
Yes.
That's it.
Awesome.
Thanks, buddy.
The functionality and storage and everything, it all worked. There was nothing that was really bad about the comments. You know, yeah, we tried to keep it real.